Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to make animated water. I was requested to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use an alpha plane I have. It's laid flat on the ground, and this one just happens to have an opacity with it, so you can do it that way. But here we go. First of all, I'm going to click off this vortex. I don't want that. I'm going to go to my opacity and see if I can find it somewhere. Okay, if you look, there's my opacity, 97 by 57. I'm going to go to my water. Hopefully it's the same size, 97 by 57. Click apply. Oops. Use blending. And there we have water. You can see it there. Now, just to make this move is really simple. We're going to go, I think you can see this. We're going to let me shrink this down a little bit so I can pull everything up. There we go. I'm gonna, oh boy, it didn't work. Gotta open it up a little bit here. Should be able to see that yet. Click on here. Here's your mode. Okay, we're gonna go with scrolling on this one. If you had like 4 pictures, you would use cycling. That's a different one. And then here it varies which way you want it to go. I'm just gonna put a 3 here. Click apply changes. Okay, I really don't like that, so I'm going to change this. I'm going to delete it and go down here. And the higher the number, the slower it'll go. So I'm going to try 15 this time. Okay, now I don't really like that a whole lot, so I'm going to go, let's say minus 6. The minus will actually make it scroll the other way. So you just keep playing around with these numbers till you get what you want. It's a little hard on this because it's so small. Unless this one's going the opposite way. Okay, on this one it goes the opposite way. The lower the number, the slower it goes. Usually it's the opposite way. And if you want it to go slower yet, you can put a -1. See, it's going the opposite way. We can also go a point number and see how slow it's going. So it just varies how you want it to go. You want it to go the opposite direction, use a minus, so we'll go -0.3. Now it's going to go this way, and it's going fairly slow. But if you take the minus out, it's going the opposite way. So the minuses will actually tell you which direction it's going to go. The minus goes one way, a regular number will go the other. If you want it to go slow, use a point, because a 1 will still move pretty fast, I think. See how fast that's moving? So if we go a 0.1, that'll go real slow. You can barely see it moving. And that's all there is to it. All you have to do is play around with animation parameters down here. And it just varies. If you want to go back up and down like it is going here, you use the bottom, the y-axis. And if you wanted to go the other way, you can just use the top axis and see how it's moving slowly this way. And that's all there is to it. If you need any more help, give me a yell and I'll see what I can do. Thank you.